Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I guess this is a series, isn't it? I'm continuing in my capacity as a physical therapist, and we're continuing with our series on ergonomics. You should watch the previous video if you are yet to do that. I shared very important tips on how to use your phone well. Today we are going to the phone's best friend, which is the laptop. In this day and age, almost everyone uses the laptop. Almost everyone owns one. But the question is, are you using it well? Is your laptop not going to buy you any form of impairment in future? So this video is to give you that kind of education you need. Come along. It's okay. All right, so for the laptop, first of all, we're looking at a good chair. You know what? There are a lot of beautiful chairs with beautiful designs now, but unfortunately, beauty does not count when it comes to health. It's not about how beautiful the chair is. Like, this chair looks very beautiful, but it is not ideal at all for work setting. If you're somebody who is going to use the computer for about 8 hours in a day or 5 hours, even for an hour, this is no. It's a no-no. And when I bought this chair, I wasn't buying it to use with a computer. No, it's a relaxing chair for when visitors come and all of that. And it was going to be against the wall. All right, so the chair, I spoke about orthopedic mattresses. We do have orthopedic chairs as well. So if you're somebody who uses a lot of computer, talk to your HR or whoever to get you a good chair, because it counts. All right, so the chair is supposed to be orthopedic, and it's supposed to be such that you have the angle, the 90 degree angle, your leg to your knee 90 degree, beautiful, and then your hip to your trunk 90 degree, beautiful. All right, so here's my computer, and just like the phone, we are looking at right alignment of the spine. We do not want anything that will put us off the right alignment for long hours on end. So this looks comfortable. It might feel comfortable, but when it comes to health, it's not about comfort. It's about what is ideal. It's about what will help you. It's about what is optimum, and that is what we're striving for. And a lot of the things that we feel are uncomfortable is just because of habit. We've done it for too long that anything off that part would prove uncomfortable. All right, so this is the dresser, which couples as my work area sometimes. And when I put my computer in it, this is what I get. So ideally, I'm not getting the eye level thing, because then I'd have to go down this way to be able to look at the computer, and then that brings the neck down like that. And so to get this in eye level, what you can do as a modification is to raise it and put it on something. So I have this jewelry box here, so that gives it some kind of elevation. Because there's a laptop, I cannot disconnect this type of laptop. I'm not able to disconnect the keyboard from the monitor. If you have something like that, that is most perfect. So you can hang the monitor up there on eye level while you can work the keys from down here, and that would give you the perfect setup. If this is still too low, because to me it's a bit too low, you just have to double the support or this modification so that you get it way up here, and then you can work your way on the keys. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope it was educative. Let me know what more you'd want me to talk about in relation to some of these postures, and I'll gladly do that. Until next time, be blessed, and remember that a great posture is a great key to a great life. Thank you.